Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today we want to show you the Adventure Cargo Kit from Tusk for the Polaris XP4. If you have an XP4 and you're just looking for just a good everyday cargo solution that's going to help keep your gear organized, gives you over 90 liters of storage capacity, but also you would like the ability to have a cooler on your rides, one that's going to be secure, then this Adventure Cargo setup is going to be perfect for you. With so many different cargo options that are out there for the XP4, it can be difficult knowing, okay, what setup's gonna be best for me, knowing what items are gonna work together. So we've gone through and we've done all that work for you. We have a lot of different cargo kits like this one, depending on your needs, the type of riding that you're gonna be doing, how long you're gonna be gone for, just to help you get the best ideal cargo setup. So we're gonna go through today, talk about everything that comes included here with this adventure setup. And the first thing that we wanna talk about are the quick release cargo boxes. Now, these have quickly become one of our favorite cargo accessories, and what's interesting about these boxes is that they were actually first designed for motorcycles. And we've used them on our adventure rides for years, but then we realized that they're very useful for side-by-sides as well. And this kit's gonna come with three. You have two side boxes that are gonna be medium-sized, and then you have the large box that sits right here in the middle in the bed. And with these three combined, you get just over 90 liters of storage capacity. They're made from powder-coated aluminum. One of our favorite features about these is that they're quick release. And I'll explain a little bit more about that here in just a moment, but you get great organization with this too. And that's one thing that we love is, you have one box for the driver's side, so the driver can put their gear in there, one for the passenger side, and then you have a box here in the center if you want to put tools and items inside this center box that you don't plan on really ever removing from your machine. That center box is a great location. And like I said, the quick release feature is something that we love because if you're gonna be gone for an all-day ride, maybe you're gonna go to a destination where you're gonna be making a campfire and just hanging out for a while and you have some food and snacks in one of these cargo boxes, well, you can just take the whole cargo box off in a matter of seconds, take it to where you're gonna be going, and then just simply put it right back on. Or maybe if you have to do a trailside repair, you've got tools in one of these boxes, and it's a lot easier just to take the whole box to where you're doing that repair versus trying to dig through and take the tools out of it. So a lot of great uses for these cargo boxes. They all have latches on these that you can lock to keep your items secure if you're gonna be away for a while. And like I said, they've been one of our favorite accessories when it comes to cargo in the bed of your UTV. And then lastly, this kit is going to come with the Rider Cargo Cooler Mounting Rack. And this mounting rack is designed specifically for the Yeti 35-quart Tundra cooler. It doesn't matter if it's just a short ride, if you're gonna be gone all day long, having a cooler to be able to keep your drinks and your snacks and your food cold, for us, it's one of those must-have accessories. And what's great about this setup is this cooler rack, it's made from powder-coated aluminum, uses factory locations in your bed to get it mounted up. It's very secure. But the reason that it's designed specifically for the Yeti 35-quart cooler is because this cooler has these cutouts here on the sides underneath the lid that give the perfect tie-down attachment point. And the two great features about this setup is, one, you can open this lid while you have the cooler tied down and secure. And also, with the strap, the tie-down strap that will come included, it keeps this very, very secure so you can still drive as aggressive as you want to with this cooler mounted up, and you don't have to worry about it bouncing around. So for us, this has been a really good setup that we've used on a ton of our different rides. So like I said, if you're just shopping for a good all-day, everyday practical cargo setup that helps keep your gear organized, secure. These boxes are dust and waterproof, so it's gonna keep the elements out of there as well. So if you're looking for that, along with a great mounting cooler option, this set is gonna be ideal for you. Now, keep in mind, like I had mentioned, there's other cargo options available. If you think that maybe this is a little bit too much and you don't quite need this much cargo capacity, we have other kits available. We have an overland kit. If you're wanting to go deep into the country and you want a multi-day ride, go on those big adventures, we have a full kit that's set up for that. We have an interior cargo kit for the XP4 as well that gives you all the best cargo accessories for the inside of your UTV. So no matter what your needs are, no matter what type of riding that you're going to be doing, there is a kit that's going to be best for you. And to see all those and this kit, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com, enter the year, make, and model of the machine that you're shopping for. And as always, if you do have questions or comments, leave those down below. We will get those answered. We ship for free over $75. And if you want to stay up to date on videos like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, you'll be good to go. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.